Damage stability in ships as governed by SOLAS Chapter 2nd to 1st refers to ship's ability to remain afloat and stable after sustaining damage. SOLAS outline criteria for ensuring the ship, even the assumed damage, will remain afloat and stable, protecting to safety of passengers and crew. This is achieved through proper subdivision of the ship into watertight compartments designed to withstand flooding. Key aspect of damage and stability determination according to SOLAS Chapter 2 to 1st. Watertight subdivision. SOLAS mandates that ships will divided into watertight compartments to limit the extent of the flooding from damage. Assumed damage. SOLAS specifies various damage scenarios including the size and the location of potential damage to assess the ship's ability to survive the stability criteria. Even after damage, the ship must maintain a certain level of stability, ensuring it remains afloat and upright. Probabilistic versus deterministic method. SOLAS has adopted both probabilistic and deterministic method for determining damage stability, with probabilistic methods gaining prominence and in recent years. Index R and Index A. In probabilistic method, Index A represents the ship's subdivision index and Index R represents the required subdivision index ensure the ship meets SOLAS requirements. Elaboration of specific aspect damage scenarios. SOLAS specifies different damage scenarios: length, transverse extent, and vertical extent. Compartment status. Depending on the ship type and the type of a cargo, specific compartment status are required to prove compliance with SOLAS damage stability regulation. Probabilistic damage stability. This method assesses the probability of survival after damage, taking into account various factors like probability of flooding and probability of survival after flooding. Permeability. The permeability of flooded compartment, which is the right ratio of the volume filled with water to total volume of the compartment, is a crucial factor in a damage stability calculation. Load lines. SOLAS regulations specify the maximum draft, ensuring stability even in damaged condition. V lines. These lines drawn on the ship's stability diagrams have determined the extent to which the ship's watertight structure must extend meet SOLAS requirements. In essence, SOLAS Chapter 2 and 1st damage stability criteria designed to ensure the ships with assumed damage can maintain stability and remains afloat, prioritizing the safety of the sea.